Hi, welcome to our another logic explanation video. So we checked top 10 websites for interview preparations to find out which question is being asked most frequently. And we found out one question that is being asked almost in every second or third interview that is being taken place for freshers. So let's see how we can solve this, and we will try to explain this logic through a story so that you remember it for a longer duration. So that question is, can you swap two numbers without using the third variable? So let us think a bit if we can do it, and let us see a story how we can solve that. So what we will do, we will bring two jars with different number of balls. So here you can see we have a jar which has three red balls, and then another jar which has sorry, two black balls. Now, what we will do, we will put these three red balls from jar to the jar which contains black balls. Yeah. So now the first jar has three red balls and two black balls. Now, as the next step, what you will have to do, you will have to put these two black balls to the empty jar. So we will do that. Now you can see that we have interchanged the content of jars without using a third jar. So same logic we can apply while we do our program. So let's see how we can do it. There are two variables, int a equal to 2 and int b equal to 3. So we can use our jar analogy, and we have two black balls in a jar and we have three red balls in b jar. Now what we will have to do, we will have to add the numbers and store them in one, like we did with our jars. So what we did in case of our jars, we put those three red balls into the first jar. So similarly we are adding these two numbers and storing it in the first number. So after this step, if we see the content of numbers, so a equal to 5 and b is now equal to 3. As a next step, now we will subtract the second number from the combined numbers. So what we will do, we will subtract b from a. So after this step, you see 5 minus 3 is b. Like we return those two black balls to the sorry, previous jar. And as a next step, we will have to again subtract the second number from this combined number. So we will again do a minus b, and now a's content is 3. And if you see, now we have swapped our numbers without using the third number. So on first step, a was 2 and b was 3. And on last step, b is 2 and a is 3. So thanks for watching our video. And if you want to learn coding in more innovative ways, please subscribe to our channel.